Morning chaps. Just took this out of garage and it's not working at present. Don't look too bad. May get. Don't know what it plays like. We'll see whether I can get it going. If not, probably up for grabs or whatever. I don't know yet. Back a bit. It's been bugger all at present. Oh, power's on. Oh, not personal, I've just got some random lights have come on. Front. Back to mode. Try it again. Might be lucky in boot. Nah, fuck out. Got all weeks anyway. Boards that. Wiring diagram, I think. Something, whatever. When was it? What are we going here? 4th of the 12th, 86. Oh, triple M. So I'll have a look, see whether we can get it going today. Be a shame if we can't, but we'll just see. We'll have a day. And by the way, that there, will be going up for grab soon. So if you're interested, just put it on. All works and does what it does. It's on old 10p. I put it on old 10p. Plays okay and whatever. So if you're interested, send us a text or somehow get in touch with an offer or something. Don't know how much it's going for yet, but just give us a shout. Alright, give you an update later on this and see where I get to. Alright, bye for now.